Look, this song, it is not just a song, my people. It is a deep, painful cry about how life on earth really is. You hear them when they repeat those words. Life is difficult, Mama. You can feel it right here in your chest. It shows the deep, heavy tiredness that so many of our people are carrying every single day. And that sound, that that is the sound of real pain when the burden of life gets too heavy for a person to carry. And listen again. The song tells us that even the land, the very soil under our feet, is crying out. It shows you that this struggle is not for one person. It is for the whole community. So when they call out, Mama, they are crying for comfort, for warmth, for when these hard times become too much to carry on your own.